Pipedrive Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into the Pipedrive Affiliate Program. As always, links to the product can be found in the description below. Pipedrive is a robust CRM, customer relationship management tool designed for sales teams to streamline their processes and boost productivity. The platform's focus is on sales pipeline management, making it an excellent choice for small to mid-sized businesses, agencies, and sales professionals who need a user-friendly and efficient way to manage their leads, sales activities, and customer interactions. With its intuitive interface, customizable workflows, and sales reporting tools, Pipedrive helps users stay on top of their leads and close deals faster. Now let's talk about the Pipedrive Affiliate Program. This program is an excellent opportunity for anyone who has an audience of sales professionals, entrepreneurs, marketers, or business owners. Whether you're running a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence focused on sales, marketing, or business growth, Pipedrive is a tool worth promoting. The program offers recurring commissions, meaning you earn for as long as your referred customers stay subscribed to Pipedrive. This creates a sustainable income stream, which is always a plus. Pipedrive's affiliate platform is hosted on Partner Stack, a reliable network that tracks clicks, conversions, and commissions. The 30-day cookie window ensures you get credit for any signups during that time. The platform has a great reputation for delivering high-quality leads, so you're promoting a product that's proven to convert. Plus, Pipedrive provides pre-made marketing materials, making it easier for affiliates to get started right away. Overall, if your audience is made up of sales-driven professionals or entrepreneurs looking for a CRM solution, the Pipedrive Affiliate Program is a perfect fit. It offers generous commissions, a trusted product, and a streamlined platform for tracking success. Check out the links in the description for more details. Thanks for tuning in.